Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about VPNs for Tailscale. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't really care about, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for Tailscale right now, plus a few things about each that actually matter. That way you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my full research doc for free and check it out anytime this year. No joke. Alright, let's jump right into it. Top 3 VPN services for Tailscale. And why? First up, NordVPN is the best VPN for Tailscale by a long shot. Why? First, it works seamlessly with Tailscale, which is super important. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I've tested. Low latency, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, and solid download and upload speeds. Features, it's got the most features out of all of them. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support, cheap for what you get and top-notch support. Do they keep logs? Nope, not at all. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and pretty affordable for what it offers. Negatives, there's a 10-device limit. Second best VPN for Tailscale is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built for pure performance. Speed, crazy fast with rock-solid low latency. No drops, no packet loss, just smooth sailing. Features, all the essentials a Tailscale user needs, plus a few extras. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great if you want to route only specific traffic through the VPN, or the opposite. Pricing and support, one of the best bang for your buck VPNs out there. Usually cheaper than most, but delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Do they keep logs? Nope. And they have an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? Best encryption tech, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy folks nervous. But their no-log audit checks out. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for pure speed and value when using Tailscale. Third best VPN for Tailscale is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? They offer a huge server network and the most customization on this list. Speed? Very good. With so many servers, you can almost always find a fast, uncrowded one nearby. Features? Packed with goodies. Kill switch, a great ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is professional and pretty solid. Do they keep logs? No. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Top-notch and customizable. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based. Also, the app's not as clean or polished as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget but still want a massive server network and advanced features with Tailscale. And that's it. My top 3 picks for Tailscale. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on their colors or logos, you'll be just fine. These just work perfectly with Tailscale. Quick recap, if you're still on the fence, go with NordVPN if you want the best all-around VPN for Tailscale, a premium experience with the most features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed set-it-and-forget-it VPN that's an incredible value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN with a huge server network and tons of advanced features for Tailscale. My job here is done. I've given you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can grab the best price out there. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.